Hello traders! In this video, I'm going to share the trading strategy I use on BinoDex Broker to find market entry opportunities. If you'd like to try the same platform, register through the BinoDex link in the video description and start learning trading with me. Let's get started. Okay traders, first set your chart to the 1-minute candle time frame. Next, set the trade duration to 1 minute. Then add 2 EMA indicators to your chart because they will help us identify the market trend and find better entry opportunities. For the first EMA, use period 9. For the color, I will use blue. And for the second EMA, use period 30. For the color, I will just use red. This combination helps identify short-term momentum and the overall market trend, making it easier to find trading opportunities. Okay traders, today I'll be trading on the OTC market, where profit rates can reach up to 96%, depending on the asset and market conditions. I personally use BinoDex because the platform is easy to use, offers a wide range of OTC assets, and offers competitive profit rates. If you'd like to try the same broker and follow this strategy with me, you can register using the BinoDex link in the description below. Now, please pay attention. This is the perfect momentum to make a purchase. Okay traders, here I took an up trade, and let me explain the reason. First, the blue EMA 9 has crossed above the red EMA 30, which indicates that short-term momentum is starting to turn bullish. Second, after the crossover, price moved above both EMA lines and began forming higher candles, showing that buyers are gaining strength. Third, we can see a bullish candle pushing strongly upward from the previous consolidation area, which often signals a continuation move. Because trend direction, momentum, and candle confirmation were aligned, I decided to enter an up position with a 1-minute trade duration. Remember, this is a trading setup, not a guaranteed result, so always manage your risk properly. Okay, now let's see the results. And as you can see, this UP trade closed in profit. The reason this setup worked is because the EMA 9 crossed above the EMA 30. Price stayed above both EMA lines, and bullish momentum continued after the breakout. When trend direction and candle confirmation move together like this, the probability of a successful trade becomes stronger. Okay traders, here I found a strong bullish momentum, and that was the main reason I entered an UP trade. Look at the chart carefully. The price suddenly produced a large bullish candle with much stronger movement than the previous candles. That tells me buyers entered the market aggressively. At the same time, EMA 9 was moving above EMA 30 and starting to slope upward, which confirms that short-term momentum was increasing. After the strong bullish candle appeared, the next candle stayed near the high area instead of dropping sharply, showing that buying pressure was still active. When I see strong bullish momentum, EMA confirmation, and price holding near the highs, I consider it a good opportunity for an up entry. In this case, the momentum continued and the trade closed in profit. Okay, let's look at this setup carefully. Here I found another bullish momentum, so I decided to take an up trade. First, the blue EMA 9 is already above the red EMA 30, which tells me that the short-term trend has turned bullish. Second, price made a strong upward movement with a large bullish candle, showing that buyers entered the market with strong momentum. After that push, the next candle pulled back slightly but stayed above the EMA 9, which is an important sign that buyers are still in control. I'm not buying randomly here. I'm waiting for momentum, trend confirmation, and price support from the EMA. Because all three conditions were aligned, I entered an up position with a 1-minute duration. This trade later moved in our favor and closed in profit. Alright traders, that's the end of today's session. You've seen how I wait for momentum, use the EMA 9 and EMA 30 for trend confirmation, and take entries only when the setup is clear. Remember, successful trading is not about entering many trades. It's about being patient and following your rules consistently. If this video helped you understand the strategy better, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next live trading session. And if you want to practice using the same platform I use in this video, you can register through the BinoDex link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Trade safely, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next video.